Hi, it's Tom Pullen here, and in this video we're going to look at my top 3 innovations from the city of Copenhagen in Denmark, and also what we can learn from them. So let's go! So the first innovation we're going to look at is Copenhagen. Now, this is not only one of the cleanest waste-to-energy plants in the world through using some innovative technology, but it's also been designed as an amazing aspirational leisure destination. So here you can not only hike and climb, but you can also go skiing. The architects call it hedonistic sustainability, which shows that sustainability in innovation does not need to be boring. So never forget to really think about how you can maximize the experience for your users or consumers. Innovation number 2 is the automated parking system in this blocks building just behind me. Through using automation, they managed to remove all of the ramps and the space around the cars, meaning that they can fit 30% more cars in the space versus if it was a conventional parking garage. So on your innovation projects, think about how you can use technology and automation to increase productivity and efficiency. Innovation number 3 is everything the city is doing around bikes. And given that over 60% of the population here commute by bike, the city has needed to put in place some initiatives to really make their cycling easier and safer. And these include cycle superhighways, free pump stations, and also footrests at traffic lights. But maybe one of the most innovative initiatives is the fact that they found a system to coordinate the traffic lights so that cyclists always get green. A wonderful example of putting your users at the heart of the experience to really make their lives easier and more pleasurable. And to finish, whilst this is not specifically linked to the city of Copenhagen, no video on innovation in Denmark would be complete without mentioning Lego. Whilst today they are the largest toy company in the world, let's not forget that they were in significant trouble back in the early 2000s. And what got them back into strong growth? Well, they deployed the very smart innovation methodologies around crowdsourcing of ideas and co-creating with their biggest fans. So that's it. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you've learned something. If you have, please feel free to give it a like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss any future innovation videos. Thanks a lot for your support and see you soon.